Hi everybody, it's Mary. I just received a couple of days ago a new die set from Diamond Press called The Alphabet, and it was on HSN Craft Day. And initially I did not buy it because I thought, I have Design Space, I could do this, and I have a die set from Close to My Heart that has the Scrabble letters. But then I went on Design Space and I realized, who am I kidding? I neither have the time nor the patience to make this grid in Design Space. Now, maybe those people that use Design Space every single day could whip one out in just a couple of minutes, but that's not me. Not at all. So luckily I went back in and it was still available. And I think it is still available even now. But it cuts at A2 card size and cuts the little windows. Let me show you. Just like that. One easy couple of cranks of the machine, it's done. And that's how I like it. One and done. I do think though, you have to actually, depending on what you want to do, let's start that way. So here are the instructions. So you can do the letters two different ways. You can either use a different color and cut those out and then stamp on those, or you can just stamp in the grid on a piece of your cardstock or whatever, your background. But I like this look here. I like this look here. So that's what I'm going for. So it comes with the grid. It comes with all these flowers to cut out, little flower stem, and it comes with a little banner, because I realized that maybe you can put friend in here, but there isn't enough space to do birthday, which is what I'm going to do. So, but it does come with all these letters. You got your alphabet, your upper and lowercase alphabet, and you've got numbers. And then you've got, you can probably see better this way. There you go. Birthday to my amazing, to the best of you, sending friend, you are so, hello, you just wanted to say you're the best. Congratulations, sending my, and so you just make your own stuff. I like hello. Yeah. So this one is going to be a birthday. So I've already cut a piece of the blue, because I think the blue on with the black will be striking. So we're going to go ahead, cut the blue. Oh, here are the instructions for the flowers. Pretty simple. You can cut one of each. And then put it together. Easy peasy. So let's get this going. I have a pile of little black little squares, which I'll put somewhere and then use another time for another puzzle. So let's get the marquee going. There we go. My folders are just so kind of warped. All right. So this should give us all our little squares. Yep. So now I've got black squares, and I'll have a blue. See, that folder is warped, and they didn't cut through all the way. But I've got plenty for the happy. So I need H, A, P, P, Y. I'll do for now. And then I'll have, like I said, all the black ones, and then a blue frame. Not sure why these did not cut good. Probably because of the bow in the folder. All right. So I'm going to see if I can just do this freehand. Let me get a piece of white cardstock. All right, so H, A, B, P, Y. Need to make sure that those are on the right side up. And get a little block. And get those out. So H, H, A, B, and a Y. All right. This is Versamark, so hopefully this will stamp. Wow, yep. All right. So there's the H. A. If you have this set, let me know if you've used it and how you've used it. A P. So far, pretty easy. P. And then this will be the Y. All right. Let me close this up because I always make a mess with this ink pad because of the way it's hinged. All right, so of course I don't have a card base. What was I thinking? But let's pretend this is a card base. All right, so Let's see if this fits in perfectly. H. All right, clearly I'm going to need to glue the grid down first, since I don't have steady hands. So H, A, P, P, Y, or I can have happy going down this way. And then I'll put the birthday on the banner. Maybe down here, happy birthday, and a little flower right here, I think. Or maybe I won't use the flower, maybe I'll use something else. Anyway, sadly, this grid will not fit the other die set I have for the Scrabble. Let me double check. If I don't use the tile and I use this, maybe it will work. Let me get one of the extra squares and see. So that's the square, and that's the Scrabble tile. Well, the A fits. Let's stamp it and see. I don't know if it would work with like a W, but we'll see, because it would be nice if I could use it. A, 1 point, okay. Let's give it a try. Let me flip it over. Let me see if I can get it in there. Okay. All right, so the A does work. So maybe I will be able to use it that way if I don't want to create the tiles. This set is really cute because it does have the tiles, and then it has the wood grain. So it looks just like a tile, and if you build it up, it would be thick. So, yeah, but it does work, so that's good. All right, so that's my idea, and I'm sticking with it. So I'm glad I got it, because like I said, I don't have the time, the want, nor the patience to do this on Design Space, since I'm not bad at the Design Space, but I don't use it enough. And every time I go back, I have to think about things. And then when they make a change, then I have to relearn all over again. So anyway, so that's it. That's the Diamond Press tile alphabet. So I'm happy. I'm glad I did change my mind and I did get it. Because if you don't use the flower, it'll be great for another idea for a masculine card, which we all need those. So I'll put it on some fancy paper and go from there. So that's it. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, please do. If you like the video, please hit the like button. That would be awesome. Until the next time, stay safe and well. Happy crafting. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.